Test metrics are crucial in reports, providing data on testing efficiency, effectiveness, and coverage. They help measure testing progress, track defects, and evaluate software quality. Including these metrics aids stakeholders in making informed decisions, ensuring alignment with project goals, identifying issues, and allocating resources effectively. Test coverage. Definition: measures how much the software has been tested by tracking the percentage of code or requirements covered by tests. Code coverage tracks code paths or statements executed by tests. Requirements. Coverage tracks validated requirements through tests. Purpose: to see if the software is thoroughly tested and identify areas lacking coverage. Example metric: 80% of the software's functions have been covered by test cases. Test case execution status. Definition: displays test execution progress including executed, passed, failed, or skipped tests. Metrics: total test cases, passed, failed, blocked, skipped. Purpose: shows testing progress and highlights blockers or areas needing attention. Example metric: out of 150 test cases, 140 have been executed, with 10 failures and 5 skipped. Defect density. Definition: measures the number of defects found in the software per unit of code, usually expressed as defects per 1,000 lines of code, KLOC. Formula. Purpose in reports: to provide insights into the quality of the code and the overall defect management process. To help identify areas of the software with high defect rates. Example metric: the defect density is 5 defects per KLOC. Defect discovery and resolution rate. Definition: tracks how fast defects are found and fixed. Metrics: defect discovery rate is defects found per time. Defect resolution rate is defects fixed over time. Purpose in reports: evaluates testing efficiency and defect handling. Example metric: 5 defects found weekly, 90% resolved by testing phase end. Test pass fail percentage. Definition: shows test case success or failure rate. Formula. Purpose in reports: gives testing success overview, highlights issues, and identifies areas needing more testing or fixes. Example metric: the pass rate for tests is 85% with 15% of test cases failing. Severity and priority of defects. Defects are classified by severity and priority, helping to identify critical issues. Severity impacts functionality, while priority indicates urgency. This assists in focusing on urgent defects and optimizing resource allocation. Example metric: out of 20 defects, 5 were critical and 10 were high priority. Defect aging. Definition: tracks the amount of time a defect has been open and unresolved. Purpose in reports: to identify defects that have been outstanding for a long time and might require more attention. To highlight inefficiencies in the defect resolution process. Example metric: the average age of unresolved defects is 4 days. Test efficiency. Definition: evaluates testing efficiency by comparing defects found to testing effort. Formula. Purpose in reports: determines testing efficiency and helps optimize resources. Example metric: 1 defect was found for every 5 test hours. Defect fix rate. Definition: measures how quickly defects are fixed. Purpose: assess speed and efficiency in resolving defects and find any management bottlenecks. Example metric: the defect fix rate is 95% with 10 defects fixed out of 10 reported. In conclusion, test metrics are key for creating reports that show how well the testing process works. By tracking metrics like test coverage and defect resolution rates, stakeholders can evaluate software quality and make necessary decisions. Including these metrics in reports boosts transparency and ensures testing aligns with goals and standards, leading to reliable software. Thank you for joining us.